Hi friend, welcome back to Chim Sneaker, and today I will bring to you one of my favorite Converse in my collections. And here it is, the Converse Chuck 70s Valentine's Day. So let's have a quick look at the full option of the boxes. So we have some like thank you card and like warranty features inside the box, and we also have like a tote bag, like any other type of like authentic sneaker that I have in my collections. And yeah, here is our man baby, the Converse Chuck 70 Valentine's Day editions. And I think this is one of the most gorgeous seasonal design of the Converse Chuck 70. So let's check it out and have a quick look. So this is our main model, the Converse Chuck 70 Valentine's Day. Overall, when you look from like distance, it's just like a normal Chuck 70 black high top with a very like clean stitching in the white color and like iron eyelets, and also the black upper, which is made by Converse. And this one, some specific feature that make it different from the original one. First, you can notice that there are patterns and like arcs, which imply the Valentine's Day, which like make very subtle and very cute. It's not too much like I see like some other type of seasonal Converse. Sometimes when they are overdone, it feels like very unaesthetic. But with this one, it still looks very subtle and very nice, and it still gives you the vibe of the original Converse, which is super good and super cool. And other like the most special features of this one is the outsole. You can see from here, it is made by a transparent plastic material. So with the two outsole in my hand, you can form a heart, and that the feature make me crave the shoe so much back when I haven't got this one, because this is one of the most special and like well designed Converse design ever that I used to see. And this also have the normal version. I will show you here. So this is the normal edition, like of the classic edition of this Valentine's Day seasonal color. But with this one, it's just like the normal outsole. The overall design still have the same vibe, but this one is far more interesting and far more aesthetic, because I think that the design is more subtle, and the interesting point, the iconic signature point, is so far superior. And yes, that is my introductions about the Converse Chuck 70 Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoy my videos, and see you in another reviews of sticker. Bye bye.